My goal this year was to start washing my hair every week just to see if it makes a difference in like my scalp and everything like that. And 2 weeks ago was my first time sharing the products I use on my hair and the result that it gave me. This week I'm using different products, so pretty much I'm using products based on what my hair needs that week. This week was strictly moisture focused, so I'm going to share with the products. These are the results that the products gave me, and let's get into the products. So we're going to start off with my scalp. I use this Dermazine. This really helps my scalp. My scalp gets extremely flaky. Yes, I still have flakes. I see them falling off of me, but it's very minimal compared to what my scalp normally looks like. So love this. Damn. Costs a pretty penny, but definitely works. So we're going to go with the shampoo first. I'm going to go in order of how I actually did my hair. So I washed my hair first with this Odele shampoo. This is the clarifying shampoo. Then one wash with this. Then I went in with the L'Oreal Elvive Hyaluron Plump. So this is the hydrating shampoo. I wash my hair twice with this. Now I normally don't do 3 washes. I normally do 2, but because I didn't wash my hair in 2 weeks, I figured I'd give my hair extra hydration. So I did 2 shampoos with that. Then after that, I went in with the TRESemmé Rich Moisture. This also has heat protection in it. The person that recommended this on TikTok, thank you, girl. I absolutely love this. I did a deep condition with this for 30 minutes. After that, I added my white peony, and I need to get more because I'm literally almost out. But this is Mielle's white peony leave-in conditioner. I have to have a leave-in conditioner, and this has been my go-to since like 2014. Love this stuff. After that, I went in with the Color Wow, the Dream Coat. I used this 2 weeks ago for the first time, and I felt like it made my hair frizzy, and I felt like I maybe didn't use enough, so that's why I went in again with this. I didn't use as much as I did the first time, but I just wanted to add a little extra because this is supposed to last 3 to 4 washes, and I only washed my hair once since using this, so I didn't want to do a heavy amount of it, but I just wanted to add a little more, so hopefully, you know, lock in and block the humidity. So we'll see how this goes, but I will say with this product right here, it blow dries your hair so good, so good. And last but not least, this right here, Olaplex #7 bonding oil. Love this stuff. Down so lightweight. I literally can put this on my hair every day and my hair will still be lightweight. It does not weigh down my hair whatsoever. I already applied this to my hair probably like 3 times already. I like the weight that it gives. Like it lays all the flyaways down while keeping my hair nice and light, and like the shine it adds. I love it so much. But these are all the products I use on my hair, and these are the results that they gave me for this week. So I will be back next week. Maybe we'll see if I stretch my hair to 14 days again. Probably not, probably like 10 maybe. But we'll be back next week and we'll see what products I'll be using then.